And welcome to my channel, Right Left Hand. Today we are working on maintenance 14, so let's go ahead and get started. As I mentioned previously, it's been a while and these videos are a little bit out of sync as opposed to what we're used to. So just trying to get back into shape and get back on track, doing what I need to do to make sure that I'm practicing, you guys are practicing, that we're all doing what we need to do. So, yep, that's about it. I hope everybody is doing well, and during this time of summer, especially when things are usually a little bit, wow, I can't believe I missed Q and R. When things are a little bit slower in general. So hopefully you guys have some more time to relax. I guess another thing that I haven't done recently is look at comments, so I should be going back soon to take a look at those, see what I've missed in the meantime, because that's one thing that I pride myself on, is looking at all the comments, but it's been a while, so I'll have to get back to that shortly. We'll just see how short it is. Almost done here, just finishing up this lowercase, and then we'll go ahead and finish with the numbers. Let this focus. Alright, and there. Just got a few more seconds left, and then we'll be on our merry way with a little more practice under our belt. Alright, and there you have it, maintenance 14. Thanks for watching. Come back next month to continue the maintenance progress with me. Alrighty, goodbye.